Now I'm just going to add something to enhance the flavor, which is this. This is the fried shallot. Oops.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to fry noodle for dinner, and very simple yellow noodle. So I have approximately 250 gram. Why am I cooking not a lot tonight? Because I just asked my wife to tapao some satay back. So yeah. Okay, so this is about 250 gram or maybe close to 300 grams of yellow noodle, rinse. Then I have some veggie. You can use any veggie you like. Try some, anything. I'm using cabbage today. And an egg, some garlic, and also shallot, and also a bit of tomato. Why tomato chunks? Because I opened my fridge and I find 1/4 of tomato inside, so I decided to use it. That's the reason. And yeah, and I'm going to use, of course, my cooking up chicken stock powder to make the stock. So do heat up a little bit of oil here. Once the oil is heated up, we can saute the shallot and also garlic. We are going to make the broth, the sauce for the noodle. Then only we put in the noodle, yeah, so that the noodle can soak up all the nice broth nicely, yeah. I don't mind putting in the tomato as well. Then I'll put in the egg. Always open the egg in another bowl before putting in the wok, because the egg can become a bad egg, yeah? Wow, super fragrant. You can actually give this a little bit of seasoning of some salt. Next thing, I'm going to add in some water, hot water. Then we will put in the veggie. And we will start seasoning this. Let's lower the fire first. I'm going to put in a bit of oyster sauce. You can find the ingredient list in the description, in the video description. A bit of light soy sauce. A bit of sweet soy sauce. Ooh, a bit too much. A bit of dark soy sauce. Right, this is more for the color. And a little bit of tomato sauce. Could be 1 to 2 tablespoons. And I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon of my cooking up chicken stock powder. You can get it from Singapore Shopee or Malaysian Shopee. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of sugar. Now we can raise the heat. The noodle you don't have to cook a long time, so you just make sure the veggie is almost cooked before you put in the noodles. Right, see? All the 70 or 80% of the veggie is already cooked. Now is the time where we can put in the yellow noodles. And you just make sure your noodles soak up all the nice flavor from the broth. By the way, there's no rules as to what kind of ingredient you want to add inside. You want to add any meat also, up to you. I'm not even adding any meat today, but still, it is going to taste really good. Now I would like this to be a little bit more darker in color. Therefore, I'm going to add more dark soy sauce. This is to get the dark color I wanted. See? Immediately the color changes. A little bit like the Hokkien Mee noodles, Hokkien Mee color. Right. Next thing, I'm going to close the lid. Let it simmer for approximately 1 minute or 1-2 minutes, then it is basically done. So this is after simmering for about 1 to 2 minutes. It's almost done. Now I'm just going to add something to enhance the flavor, which is this. This is the fried shallot. Oops, quite a lot, but it's okay. The more the merrier. I can smell the fried shallots, and off the fire, I'm going to give a few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is. Simple but very flavorful. We can now dish it out. Don't cook your yellow noodle for too long. If not, the alkali, is it called alkali? The alkali flavor will actually come out. Some people doesn't like that. Done. Alright, so here's Appa's very simple but very flavorful fried noodles. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.